Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another brand new video. I hope you guys are all doing well. So in this video, I want to go ahead and buy some more Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, yes guys, for the past few months, okay, ever since I saw Bitcoin, right, Bitcoin dropped all the way below to, $15,000, I believe, right? At one point, okay, back last November, we actually saw Bitcoin drop below $16,000. So when Bitcoin was around this level right here, right? Who remembers? Bitcoin wasn't really moving, right? It was hovering between $16,000 and even $17,000. Okay, at one point, yes, we saw Bitcoin drop below 16K, and mainly right throughout November and December, we saw Bitcoin stuck at $16,000. It wasn't really moving. A lot of people were wondering, right? Is Bitcoin going to move? People were getting bored, right? And at that time, I just knew, right? I had a feeling inside of me that yes, this is in fact the perfect time to get into Bitcoin. So I decided when I saw Bitcoin drop below $16,000 around this time right here, like at that level, right? I decided to invest heavy. Okay. And if you guys haven't seen that video, okay, it's titled, I'm going all in on Bitcoin. And in that video, you guys can clearly see Bitcoin was in fact below $16,000, around 15.9 or 15.8. I can't really remember around those price targets. Okay. When I saw Bitcoin at that price target, I went all in on Bitcoin. I invested almost $20,000 into Bitcoin at that time. And guess what? I'm just really blessed because guess what? Clearly, I caught the bottom, right? I caught the bottom for Bitcoin, and I'm just glad that I invested that amount of money, into Bitcoin at its low, right? At its like bottom, right? So I'm just really blessed because you guys can clearly see Bitcoin has in fact been pumping up to the upside throughout all of 2023. So far, yes, this year has been great for Bitcoin and crypto. But we know, okay, there's a lot of negative news surrounding, okay, the crypto space right now. Okay, and I've been telling you guys many times that yes, Bitcoin is still holding up very, very well. Even though yes, all this negative news is in fact spreading around the crypto space and community right now. And all this FUD, Bitcoin is still holding up very strong. Okay, it really is. Right. So yes, in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and buy, okay, and invest into Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm going all in. I've been telling you guys that many times. If you guys have, in fact, been watching my videos, I've been telling you guys this many times that when I'm investing into the crypto market, my main investments is Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? I really just stick with the basics, okay? Yes, I invest into other altcoins, but my main investments, the ones that I'm really, keeping my eye on and focusing on and just stacking as much as I possibly can is Bitcoin and Ethereum because I am here for long term. I'm not here for short term, guys, right? I've told you guys that many, many times. So I will go ahead and buy some more Bitcoin and Ethereum in this video. I'm going to go ahead and invest $1,000 in total. Okay, so I'm going to do 50-50. So, $500 into Bitcoin and $500 into Ethereum. Now, yes, Bitcoin, you guys can clearly see for the past few hours, is still not really moving. It's pretty much been consolidating, okay, and it's in between, 25K and $26,000 for the past few hours. You guys can clearly see that, right? So, in my opinion, Bitcoin is still holding up very strong. The market today is not really moving, but we saw yesterday, Bitcoin was in fact recovering because, literally 2 days ago, we saw, the entire cryptocurrency market drop massively, okay, from all the FUD and negative news, okay, especially altcoins, right? Altcoins were dropping like massive, like it was dropping a lot, okay, massive price drops were in fact happening for, a lot of these altcoins, right? About 2 days ago. And then yesterday we saw it slightly recover. Okay, we saw Polygon recover. We saw, Solana, Cardano, XRP, right? And many more, other altcoins recovering yesterday. Even Chainlink, Cosmos, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, right? All these other altcoins were in fact recovering today. Okay, it's sort of, not really doing much, not much movements today, but overall the market, okay, is not really moving. You guys can clearly see that, right? But that's that. The global crypto market cap is currently at 1.05 trillion, so we're still above 1 trillion. So that's obviously great to see. Now, I want to show you guys this chart, okay, in this video. Okay, we know the halving is about to happen for Bitcoin, and every single time we have a halving Bitcoin. That is where Bitcoin pumps the most and tends to reach a new all-time high. Look at it. Look at this chart. Right back in 2016, right, we had the halving, and then 2017 we saw Bitcoin pump like crazy, and then it dropped. Okay, and then in 2020, our most previous halving event happened right in 2020. Okay, you guys clearly see that happened right there, mid 2020. And then we saw Bitcoin pump towards the end of the year in 2020. And then 2021, we know what happened, right? And then it dropped. Okay, and it hit bottom. Like I said, right, it hit bottom of $15,000. And right now, Bitcoin is in fact forming a new pattern to the upside, right? It's breaking out from this falling wedge, I would call it, a falling pattern through all of 2022, right? When we're in fact in a bear market, we still are. I wouldn't say we are in fact 100% in a bull market just yet. But yes, this is the beginning of the next bull market. I will say that. But you guys can clearly see, right, we are clearly breaking out from the bottom. Okay, and we know that the halving is going to happen in literally less than 1 year from now. Less than 1 year from now. So we know every single time we see the Bitcoin halving, that is where Bitcoin pumps the most and of course reaches a new all-time high. So be excited for that, guys. I've been telling us as many times that I do in fact see Bitcoin reaching a new all-time high next year in 2024. Once the halving happens, give it a few weeks, give it a few months, and we will in fact see Bitcoin reach back up to its previous all-time highs and of course reaching a new all-time high. And I really do believe we will in fact see Bitcoin reach six figures, okay, over $100,000 in the year 2024. And the year 2025, that's when we will really see Bitcoin pump, right? Like what we saw in 2021, that's what we're going to see in the year 2025. Okay, so be excited for that for all my Bitcoin holders out there that's watching this video right now. Now, I want to show you guys that the Bitcoin rainbow chart, because a lot of people are wondering, is it still a great time to buy Bitcoin and whatnot? Obviously it is, because right here, this rainbow chart for Bitcoin is indicating that we are in fact in the buy area. So we all should be accumulating. We all should be buying, okay, adopting as much Bitcoin as we possibly can, and just cryptocurrency in general, right? If you're looking at the market right now, these altcoins, a couple weeks ago, a couple months ago, were already cheap. They were massively dropping already. But 2 days ago, just remember this, guys, 2 days ago, we saw Cardano, okay, dropping like 30%. We saw Solana dropping also over 30%. We saw Polygon also dropping over 30%, okay? And a lot of altcoins were dropping. I remember Shiba Inu dropping 20%. Avalanche was dropping like 18%, right? Chain was dropping 16%. You guys can clearly see that, right? For the past 7 days, how much these altcoins have dropped. These altcoins were already dirt cheap. And since they have dropped even more just a couple of days ago, you guys can clearly see that, right? For the past 7 days, how much they have dropped. Clearly, it's a great buy right now, right? Look at it. Solana dropped 29%. Okay, Polygon dropped 28%, Cardano 27%, right? BNB 24%, right? Ethereum 6.9%, Bitcoin 3.7%, right? So a lot of these crypto coins, a lot of these tokens have dropped massively. Look at Filecoin, 26%, right? Just think about it, guys. It's a great time right now to buy, okay, these altcoins, okay, right now, and wait for the next bull market to take your profits, right? I really do believe you can easily 10x, 20x, 30x, even potentially 40x, right, your investments in the next bull market. That's if you take action now. A lot of these altcoins have dropped massively, guys, and they are dirt cheap right now, right? But I'm telling you right now, these altcoins will pump and skyrocket once the halving happens for Bitcoin. When Bitcoin pumps, these altcoins, we're going to see these altcoins pump like crazy. You guys have no idea. Okay, so it's understandable why people are in fact stacking a lot of altcoins right in their portfolio. It's understandable. And clearly, yes, we are in fact in the buy area. Okay, we really are, guys. So you guys see the Bitcoin monthly returns. Bitcoin so far is down 5.2%. Ethereum, on the other hand, is down 7.3%. So yes, Ethereum this month so far has dropped way more than Bitcoin. Okay, and I've been saying as many times that usually June is not a great month for Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? And just cryptocurrency in general, right? Because of how they performed in previous years, right? So we will see. Okay, we're still early in June. Okay, we're not even halfway through June yet. So we'll see how June ends off, maybe in the greens or the reds. Okay, we will see. Last month, we ended off in the reds, right? May, Bitcoin was down 7%, right? But throughout April, March, and February and January, our previous months this year in 2023, we ended off in the greens, which was pretty good, right? And some massive returns. January we had a 40% return, March we had a 23% return, right? So 2023 so far has been a great year for Bitcoin and crypto. Now, let's go ahead and buy some Bitcoin and Ethereum because I'm going all in, right? I really am. And I've been telling you guys that many times in my previous videos, okay, in my streams, that since the market took a hit, okay, I'm going to take this as an opportunity to buy more, to stack more. And I believe you guys should do the exact same thing. Not financial advice, always do your own research. But personally, I'm stacking because I'm not going to time the market, right? I'm not going to time the market. This could be the next low, right, for Bitcoin. What we're seeing right now for Bitcoin, this could be the next low, and we could potentially see Bitcoin shoot higher up. Potentially, right? We could potentially see Bitcoin, shoot higher up from here on. But you never know. It could drop further down. And guess what? If it drops further down, I'm obviously going to buy more, right? I'm obviously going to go ahead and buy more, okay? But let's go ahead and invest into Bitcoin. So like I said, I'm going to do $1,000 investment today. So $500 into Bitcoin and $500 into Ethereum. Okay, so that looks good. Confirm buy. There we have it. I just bought some Bitcoin, $500 worth. Now, I'm going to go ahead and invest into Ethereum. There we have it, 500. That's how much ETH we'll be getting. Way more than yesterday. I actually bought some Ethereum yesterday. I'm getting way more. I also invested $500 into Ethereum yesterday. So yeah, guys, I'm buying, right? I am buying a whole bunch of crypto. Okay, I'm gonna take this as an opportunity, right? This drop that we have in fact been seeing. Okay, I'm gonna take this as an opportunity to buy more. Okay, for sure. And I hope you guys are in fact doing this exact same thing, because I think right now is the perfect time to stack more, right? Every time you see a dip in the market, take advantage, right? Take that as an opportunity to buy more, right? Don't try to time the market and say, oh, Bitcoin's going to drop even more. I'm just going to patiently wait. No, buy more, right? Buy at that dip. And if it dips more, buy more. Simple. But yeah, that is that, guys. I just invested $500 into Bitcoin and $500 into Ethereum. So that's that. And tomorrow, if I see the market drop further down to the downside, or if I see it still at the same price where it is right now, then you already know I'm gonna go ahead and buy more potentially. So that being said, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. I really would appreciate that. Let's get to 3,000 subscribers, because I know a lot of you guys that watch my videos are not subscribed, which is crazy, right? So if you guys are in fact crypto investors and even traders, and you guys are in fact in the crypto space, please consider subscribing, because every single day I talk about Bitcoin and crypto. I give you guys little updates on what's happening for Bitcoin, right? What's happening in the crypto space and community. So if you guys are in fact in the crypto space, please consider subscribing. Okay, I really would appreciate that. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I hope you guys all enjoyed it, and I will for sure catch you guys in my next video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.